Sign my lease, got my keys.
That's the hideaway. I need some head and some more support from you right away. Since I've been making donations.
Hey everyone, it's moving day. It's Chellina Achol, the Sudani mommy. Ay, today I am finally moving into my first one bedroom. This is a big girl status. I usually always have like a roommate or a studio apartment, which I love. I love the artsy vibe, but now we elevate a little bit. We got a one bedroom. My lease ended at the end of January, but my other one didn't start till now, Friday, 2 weeks later. So I was like in between, couch surfing, just chilling at my mom's house. And now I'm going back to my new apartment, same building, same apartment, but I'll give you guys a tour of the apartment in a little bit as well. Here is the U-Haul. My family's coming over in a little bit, a bunch of my cousins. So they're gonna help us move. And I think that's about it. You guys will follow us around. I'll show you guys a new crib, get settled. I do have a lot of homework too. Moving during the semester is the worst. I have catching up because I had COVID last week too. So I'm gonna show you guys us moving, getting things settled, and unpacking a little bit. But I have homework deadlines at 11:55 tonight. So there's only gonna be a little bit we're gonna be doing. Just getting the big bulk of everything. And then the Super Bowl Sunday, and I have homework Sunday, so we'll see how much I get done. It's gonna be a slow progression, but hopefully you guys enjoy watching me and following me for today. Bye. Here I am pulling here's my U-Haul. I literally just stepped on my bed and broke it. I've been walking on it for a while, but I think I ran too fast. Here's all the stuff, so we gotta move. Let's get it. I'm gonna go put my dishes back inside a box. We're starting the move. We'll all say hi. Here is the doorway, the new crib. Okay, we have a coat closet. I literally just put my jacket in there. Down. Little cuz, they came with the apartment too. There's a discount price. Here is my room. This is a tight space. It's gonna be interesting trying to decorate this room. And then here is the closet. It's cool. It's not good. It feels like small. And then here, let's go to the bathroom. Here is the bathtub. Finally got a bathtub. And then here is the washer dryer pair. I like that it's in the bathroom. Here is the kitchen, open layout. We'll put a living room together. I don't know how I'm gonna set it up. And then we're gonna go on the balcona. Outside views. And we're here, we're finally done. Now let's go unload the vehicle. Let's get it. We are all set. Everything is fun part's gonna be unpacking everything. Next month? I'll call you guys tomorrow. Hey, you guys, who's gonna come help me unpack?
When you finish everything, call us to come in. Yeah.
Grab my bag.
Let's go.
We're all free. This is gonna be nice. I will definitely be taking some pictures over here. The only thing we have so far is the bed. I'm probably gonna get rid of this bed. It's ridiculous. It's too big for the space. That's all I have. But yeah, thank you. Thank you to the fam for helping me. I am eternally grateful. And now we are out. Went back to my mom to do some homework. Pick up my uncle too. Moving day, all done. It took us like 3 hours. No, 2 hours to unpack, and then another hour-ish to pack up that car. Yeah. We started at 12:30. Signed my lease, got my keys. Yeah. But yeah, see you guys. Going grocery shopping for a couple things. Specifically ice cream sandwiches. I have the best friend. Hi. Yes, please. Thank you. Oh my God.
How you doing?
I made a parent appointment and then I see you.
Oh.
God damn.
It's okay, I'm just bolted in, bolting out. I gotta get some back, sit back, see that.
Back up?
Yeah.
With Indeed?
Over at Social Study Works now.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going 7 days a week out there. They have a social owns a trailer.
Giving Van Gogh. And these are the ice cream sandwiches I was talking about. Heavenly. And I ran into 2 people I know here, so I need to go. disgusting. I won't even show myself on camera right now. This is what we're looking at right now. I haven't done much. That's my garbage. I don't have garbage bags, so I need to get those. I'm preheating my oven right now because I'm going to make some pizza. My crackers and prosciutto do not hold me over. Lovely little sitting area. There's me. I went to Target earlier. You guys saw that. I think I'm going to make it like the moving vlog. It's like the whole weekend thing. But I have to go study. I'm a little tired. So I want to use that energy to go study instead of keeping unpacking. But I am going to unpack my bathroom because I need to take a shower first. Take a shower and get ready. But everything else I'll wait on. But I'm cooking my pizza. I unloaded like the food that had to stay cold and put that in the fridge over there. But other than that, yeah, you guys are gonna watch me. You guys are gonna watch me unpack my bathroom, and then I'll do the best I can because I still want to make some changes in there. And I'm scared for my living room because it's a lot smaller, and my TV stand is huge. It's like really long, and I kind of wanted to put my TV in the corner. So I don't know if I want to keep it, but I do love my TV stand a lot. It's not looking good right now, you know. The intricacies of this move has been something because it's a smaller space for sure. I was in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath before with a roommate. A lot of the furniture was mine. We'll figure it out. So let's go to the bathroom.
Slide, trying to provide for me. For me. Find me somewhere out in London, you know that's the hideaway. I need some head and some more support from you right away. Since I've been making donations to you like United Way. What? Stories you told me about him, I could see that it's night and day. Told me the truth. Walking from here to my bedroom and feel like it's miles away. And I'm still hard, body. I don't feel nobody. When I'm with somebody on my friendship solid, I get big deposits on my website. Exotic. City dependent. I gotta finish it. I want opinions. She want it things. She want a ring or some sort of arrangement. Something that's dangerous. I wanna change it. I wanna claim it. I want it painted. She quick to say no cause she knows she a diamond. She getting quiet. She on the diet. She want a massage. Tryna get intimate. Bank account never diminishing. Niggas are changing their images. Niggas act hard but they innocent. Hop in the tank and move military. Find me somewhere out in London, you know that's the hideaway. I need some head and some more support from you right away. Since I've been making donations to you like United Way. What? Stories you told me about him, I could see that it's night and day. Told me the truth. Walking from here to my bedroom and feel like it's miles away. And I'm still hard body. I don't feel nobody. And I'm with somebody on my friendship solid. I get big deposits on my website. Exotic. The bus go to 50 on my division. I got him excited. Know it's been a little minute. I left her delighted. Straight out of my chrome. You sucker despite it. The Duchess, the Midas.
There is something I wanted to show you guys in my everything drawer, which you're not supposed to actually have an everything drawer. I got this from Amazon. The company sent it to me for free. Eco-friendly packaging. Especially for you, it says, when you're lonely, I wish you love. When you're down, I wish you joy. When you're troubled, I wish you peace. And when you're empty, I wish you hope. Ooh, that last one was a bar. But I already tried it on and it's too small for me. It comes in three different sizes. And like an idiot, I picked medium because I thought it was medium, but it did not fit. Okay, the quote I got inside was, believe in you like I do. And I think that was really dope because it kind of speaks to like my younger self talking to my older self. But I honestly think it's my my younger self like cheering me on. But it just barely fits. So yeah, it's a little motivational. I like the motivation. And I'll have a link down below. Like I said, again, the company reached out to me and sent it to me for free.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna trade this in. I got it off Amazon, so they have easy returns, and I'll get the larger one. Hey, happy Sunday. This is my brunch right now. You know, I got the 100% maple syrup. Honestly, if you ever have real maple syrup, you'll never go back. And yes, my boxes are my dining room table. And some hot sauce for my eggs, Crybaby Craig's local. And here are my eggs and my waffle. But yeah, and I'm listening to some music. I'm also drinking my dirty chai. I looked down the hallway at my old apartment, and I'm just like, I don't know how nostalgia can make you think terrible situations were good. Living with my roommate was trash. There's a lot of fun times. I made the most of it. Like, I had parties, cute Christmas decorations, and all that stuff. I'll post hopefully it's up before this. It was like my Christmas party from like 2 months ago. I still haven't unpacked anything. A little bit. I unpacked the bathroom, and I've been like getting stuff out of these boxes for cooking. And that's what, so I have some stuff up. You know, my towels are out. But I will finish unpacking hopefully tomorrow, because I have an exam today and I have homework. Yeah, that's about that. I'm gonna eat my food and then go straight for my exam. Wish me luck. I think I might throw in a little bit tomorrow of my mom and my little brother helping me pack if they come over. If not, I'll end the vlog here. Bye guys, love you.